Located in the peaceful community of Rocky Mount, Missouri, this beautiful property in Indian Creek Hills covers 0.19 acres and offers endless possibilities. Here, you'll enjoy access to a 40-acre private lake, hunting grounds, a campsite, and a convenient boat ramp. Plus, you're just minutes away from the stunning Lake of the Ozarks and the Coffman Beach public boat launch. Want more? You'll also have access to Lake Pocahontas for swimming, fishing, and relaxing by the water. Whether you're dreaming of weekend getaways, camping under the stars, or building your perfect home, this property makes it possible. And with easy owner financing available, it's never been easier to make it yours today. At AGT Properties, we make it easy for anyone to own land in Morgan County, Missouri. Make your dreams come true today. Choose AGT Properties. Investments for a lifetime.